Hey everybody, it is Professor Hatch, and I am here to talk about the cultural genocide essay. So let me share my screen and we can look at that together. Okay. This is actually a pretty easy essay, or it's a pretty simple assignment, I should say. I don't know that any essay is easy, but it's a simple assignment even though the topic is heavy. So please write an essay that defines cultural genocide and looks at examples of it in various countries. In order to do this, you'll need to read and then make use of only two of the following articles. And I'm not going to read them to you. That's boring. In any case, they are linked to there so that you can access them on Canvas. Procedure. First, find a definition of cultural genocide and discuss what it is in one body paragraph. And then write two body paragraphs that each examine a current example of cultural genocide that is currently happening somewhere in the world. I don't know why I used current twice in that sentence. I'll edit that after this video. So in any case, while you're working on this essay, you're strongly encouraged to make use of the English 1A outline template and the essay template. And also, refer to this video right there where it says video coming soon. You'll be watching this in that place. How will I be grading this essay? So for this essay, all of these things matter: organization and structure, response to prompt, analysis, evidence, style, grammar, and punctuation. All of this is important, but the two things I'm going to be focusing most on for this assignment are organization, which is your essay structure, which at this point in the semester, you should have a pretty solid grasp of. We've talked about it in class. I've made you work on outlines. I've already graded one essay where I will have given you feedback about the essay structure, whether or not you had any issues with it. And yeah, and then your analysis, which is how well you explain the significance of the quotes or evidence you use. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Here under requirements, it's 1,000 words minimum. Please include a works cited page, no less than 3 sources, 2 of which must be from the reading list above. Your third source must come from a scholarly peer-reviewed academic journal, which I would use that source to define what cultural genocide is. That's just me. I'd strongly encourage you to do it, but to each his own. And then all of this stuff down here is just standard issue things that would be a good idea to do in an essay. I'll let you read that at your own pace. So yeah, that's everything. I'm intentionally keeping this video short because the video for the outline, which I'll be doing next, is doubtless going to be longer. I'll try to keep that one reasonable as well. In any case, the whole point of this video is for you to be referring to it if it's like 3 in the morning and you're working on this. However, if you still have questions after watching this, by all means, text me and Remind 24/7. My phone, Remind doesn't make any noise on my phone. So text me and Remind any time of day, as soon as you have the question in your head, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, I think that's everything I need to say. All right, I'll see you in the outline video. Bye.